Hello friends, in this video we will understand uniform circular motion. We know speed and velocity, and I think you are very much clear with the concept of speed and velocity. Distance traveled by per unit time is called speed, and the body which gives the idea of direction of motion is called velocity. So when the velocity of an object changes, we say that the object is accelerating. Or else you can also say it as object direction changes, we say that the object is accelerating. The change in the velocity could be due to change in its magnitude. Let us consider an example of the motion of a body along a closed path. Here, the path of a body along a rectangular track ABCD. Let us assume that the body runs at a uniform speed on a straight path, that is AB, then BC, CD and DA of the track. You can observe that here the body quickly changes its speed at the corners. How many times will the body have to change its direction of motion while body completes one round? It is clear that to move in a rectangular track, once body has to change its direction of motion 4 times. So here on rectangular track you can observe that at every point the velocity is changing because there is a change in direction. First, from A to B the velocity is changing, then B to C, then C to D. It is changing because there is a change in direction. The direction is changing at B different direction, then at C the direction is different. So the velocity is changing because change in direction. Because of change in direction. Now suppose instead of a rectangular track, the body is running along a hexagonal shaped path, that is ABCDEF, as shown in the diagram. In this situation, the body will have to change its direction 6 times while it's complete one round. So for completing one round, it has to change the direction 6 times. That is from AB to BC, then CD, DE, EF, at last FA. So you can observe that the body has to change the directions 6 times. It has to change its direction 6 times while it completes one round. What if the track was not a hexagon but a regular octagon with 8 equal sides as shown in the diagram? That is A, B, C, D, E, F and G, H. In this situation, the body will have to change its directions that is AB, BC, CD, DE, then EF, FG, GH and HA. Since the body has taken a turn, it has changed. First it was AB, then B, C, same thing happens at the point D, E and so on. Since at every point the velocity is changing because there is a change in direction. So in this situation, body has to change its directions 8 times while, while it completes one round. Now, what would happen to the shape of the track as we go on increasing the number of sides indefinitely? So, if you do this, you will notice that the shape of the path approaches the shape of a circle and the length of each side decreases to a point. So, just now I have told you if you go on increasing the number of sides, at some point you may notice that the shape will become circle. If the object or body moves with a velocity due to the changing direction of motion, the motion of the body moving along a circular path is therefore an example of accelerated motion. When an object moves in a circular path with uniform speed, its motion is called uniform circular motion. It may be an it may be any object or body. It doesn't matter. If it moves in a circular path with uniform speed, its motion is called uniform circular motion. So here we want to know the velocity of a circular path. First of all, we all know the velocity of a moving body is given by distance covered by time. So here distance covered equals to circumference of the circular path. Well, we all know that the circle of a radius r is given by 2 pi r. So here the velocity equals to 2 pi r by time.